SUMIF is one of Excel's most useful math functions. If you have a range of values and you want to add together only numbers that meet a specific criteria, SUMIF is the function you'll want to use. To illustrate how the SUMIF function works, let's look at an example. Here we have a table of data that consists of year, date, and value columns. We also have a criteria column where we placed a value of 2000, which represents the year 2000. This is the value we'll use as our SUMIF criteria later in this tutorial. To get started, let's begin by entering the SUMIF command. As you can see, the SUMIF function takes 3 parameters. The first parameter we will enter is the range of cells that you want to apply the criteria against. In our example, we will enter the range A2 to A6. This is the range of cells that will be tested to determine if they meet the criteria. The second parameter we will need to enter is the criteria that will be applied against the range A2 to A6. This criteria can either be a value or the reference to a cell that contains a value. In our example, we will enter D2, which contains the value 2000. The SUMIF function will test each value in range A2 to A6 to see if it matches the year 2000. The third parameter we must enter is the range of the values that may be summed. In our example, we will enter a range of C2 to C6. For every value in A2 to A6 that matches the year 2000, the corresponding value in C2 to C6 will be summed. Now that we have entered all of SUMIF's parameters, let's complete the command to examine the result. You should see the value 218.6 appear. This value is calculated by adding 10.5, 200, and 8.1. The other values in the table will be ignored since their year value is not equal to 2000. This covers a simple example of how to use Excel's SUMIF function. If you would like to see more SUMIF examples or would like to download the sample data we use for this tutorial, please visit our website at techonthenet.com. If you have found our tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel tutorials.